Hi guys, this is 2019 150R Prado. So I'm going to today replace this whole complete panel and replace to the new one. So we have to undo these covers. So after that you have to use in this plastic tool. You have to side pull it. Be carefully. So we got the new part here. The plug. Slide in. All good. Then after put the car back in. Make sure that everything is working. So after that, check make sure the time's right time, and IC is working, it's working, blower's working. All good. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.